In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dotted line in Canva. Whether you're designing a flyer, creating an invitation, or just adding some visual flair to your project, a dotted line can be a great way to add interest and personality. Let's dive right in and explore this simple but creative technique together. First, let's begin on the Canva dashboard. Here, you have a couple of options to start working on your design. You can click on Create to start a brand new design, or simply navigate to your recent designs if you're continuing on a project you've already got going. For today's session, we're going to jump straight into our recent designs to make things quick and easy. Once you're in your design workspace, you'll want to look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see the Elements tab. Clicking on Elements will open a plethora of tools and graphic options for you to use. Now, in the search bar, go ahead and type in the word line. This will bring up a collection of various line styles that you can incorporate into your design. As you browse through the options, focus on the section labeled Shapes. You may need to click on See All to expand the selection. This is where you'll find a variety of lines, both solid and dotted. Take your time exploring these options until you find a dotted line style that fits your vision. Once you've found the perfect one, it's time for the fun part, placing it within your design. Just click on the dotted line you like and it will automatically appear in your design area. From there, you can drag it around and position it exactly where you want it. Canva makes it simple to adjust both the size and orientation, so feel free to experiment until you've got it just right. Reposition the line until it aligns perfectly with your other design elements. Maybe you want it to underline a header, create a border, or separate sections. The options are endless, so don't hesitate to play around until you're satisfied with the look. Creating a dotted line in Canva is really that straightforward and quick. Once you've mastered these steps, you'll find yourself using this technique effortlessly across a range of your projects. The use of dotted lines can introduce a new dynamic to your designs, making them visually appealing and functional. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to add a dotted line in Canva like a pro. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep designing and stay creative. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, feel free to let us know. Happy designing!